It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. This is the precise method via which his SHIB will achieve zero this week. This day's Shiba Inu update. The price of Shiba Inu is preparing to break out later on Wednesday in U.S. trading. Several signs on the chart are pointing to an inflection point. Bulls must take a chance now to capitalize on momentum. The price action is supported and there is plenty of potential to move higher, so bulls might make up to 30% on this breakout bet. This video will go over the specifics of how SHIB plans to drop zero this week. Check out the latest Shiba Inu news here. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. Shiba Inu price activity is showing signs of bullish intervention. On Wednesday, the 200-day simple moving average SMA held price action above $0,100 and served as support throughout the European session. The red descending trend line, which will serve as the boundary for a breakout, is being approached by the bulls. SHIB bulls are riding high on the breakout's lack of strong resistance levels till the 55-day simple moving average SMA. This one is barely over $0,112, which implies the bulls have a chance to regain control of that psychological level. The important gaming exhibition SHIB has the potential to bring in more money by Friday according to its projection if further tailwinds materialize. The green ascending trend line poses the greatest threat of a decline. Be that as it may, once broken, the area below the .000000000000000, this can lead to a precipitous drop in value to $0.0000738 USD. Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin in the world, is still making waves in every area it enters. The most recent news is that prominent Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges have been approached by the Shiba Inu community to list SHIB tokens. With over 2.5 million members, Bitflyer is one of the biggest exchanges in Japan. They have announced that they will start supporting the trade of SHIB tokens. Earlier today, on March 22nd, Bitflyer made the news. No concrete specifics of its strategy have been disclosed by Bitflyer, a company located in Japan, but it did announce a SHIB handling memorial with a prize fund of 10,000 Japanese yen, with 20 qualified winners. Starting today, March 22nd, the campaign will run until Bitflyer takes over SHIB. When it comes to Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges that support SHIB transfers, Bitflyer is far from alone. The Japanese branch of the San Francisco-based exchange OKCoin began processing SHIB transactions last month, on February 28. In addition, the Shiba Inu listing was well received by the exchange. Additionally, the burn rate of memcoin Shiba Inu saw a tremendous increase, increasing by a whopping 4,600%. The burn rate is the percentage of tokens that are taken out of circulation, which reduces the overall supply of SHIB cryptocurrency. Theoretically, a better valuation for SHIB should result from this sharp increase in the burn rate, since it effectively reduces the supply. The Shiba Inu market price, however, has stayed largely unchanged, and has been a source of consternation for investors. With a market worth of $6.4 billion, the Shiba Inu memcoin is currently trading at $0.87 Shiba Inu opted out of riding the cryptocurrency market's upswing this month. While large-scale traders and investors remain uncertain about the future of the cryptocurrency, the price of SHIB has experienced relatively small variations over the past 2 weeks. With the release of Shiba Inu, a Layer 2 scalability protocol, the Shiba Inu core development team has also been behind schedule. Beyond that, there are additional initiatives that are eagerly anticipating Shiba Inu's arrival. Shippy, the much-anticipated, the announcement of the metaverse's launch on the Shiba Inu platform has been made. Some market watchers are nevertheless optimistic about Shiba Inu despite the breed's somewhat sluggish performance in the current upswing. In a recent statement, well-known crypto enthusiast David Gokhshtein confirmed that his 0.01 SHIB bet is still valid, while Balaji Srinivasan predicted that the price of Bitcoin will reach $1 million. Nonetheless, the present SHIB price would see enormous gains of 100 times. If that doesn't work, Gokhshtein has threatened to erase his 700,000 follower Twitter account. Due to historical evidence indicating a potential short-term decrease in pricing, a crypto wallet that holds a significant amount of Shiba Inu tokens is transferring funds to exchanges. In the early hours of Monday morning Asian time, Wallet 0xD6 sent over 182 billion Shiba Inu tokens to the cryptocurrency exchanges Gemini and Crypto.com. Information referenced from analytics company Look On Change reveals The identical wallet transferred over 200 billion SHIB to Crypto.com 3 months ago, where they were sold for US dollars. In that period, SHIB's price dropped 7%. Token price activity can be shown by monitoring the flow of tokens from wallets with a large supply. Because there will be more tokens available for purchase if many are sold, the price can fall. The price of tokens may not fall instantly if they are transferred to relevant decentralized finance DeFi applications. According to Etherscan, the wallet 0xD6 is holding almost 3.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which at the present pricing are worth nearly $40 million. That amounts to just over 0.3% of all Shiba Inu tokens in circulation. According to Look On Chain, the wallet spent 10 Ether ETH, or slightly more than $3,000 in August 2020, to purchase Shiba Inu coins. Even if the price of Bitcoin has surged, the price of Shiba Inu coin has remained relatively stable. While Bitcoin fights its way above the $28,000 barrier, the meme coin is falling behind most altcoins. As holders eagerly anticipate the introduction of Shiba's Layer 2 network, the price chart suggests a period of relative calm. The small gain of 0.85% on Friday is being shown by SHIB. Currently, the price of the widely used meme coin is BOY10000 FAL, $167. After falling to monthly lows and year-to-date highs, the coin has recovered 10.8%. The current price action of Shiba suggests that a significant change might be imminent, since it is accumulating sideways. The highly anticipated launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain has recently dominated SHIB headlines. Since this has the potential to increase demand for Shiba Inu coins, it has become a highly anticipated event among meme coin users. No one knows when the new blockchain's mainnet will go live, because its creators are keeping their cards close to their breast. On March 11, the network's public beta version went live. The utilization of a chain ID for an existing blockchain, however, has dampened the enthusiasm surrounding the new meme coin blockchain. Someone in the community brought this up in the Discord. The price has formed a lower low on the daily chart, as shown in the following SHIB chart. Experts see this as a technical indicator of weakness, and the beginning of a possible downward trend. Pricing is also trading below its 200-day moving average, and is consolidating below the $0.00111086 support. The Koyo token is part of the DeFi project, which is a decentralized finance initiative built on the Ethereum blockchain. Its goal is to create a platform where users may employ staking, lending, and borrowing to access various financial services decentralizedly. The Koyo token is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. You can use this to pay for the platform's many financial services. The token has a market cap of only $8.4 million and is ranked 3,108th on CoinMarketCap. However, about half of SHIB's value has been destroyed in the past 2 weeks due to the project's burning of 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens, or around $50,000. Even the veracity of the figures has been called into question due to the magnitude. The figures were recently confirmed by SHIBBurn, a specialized burn tracker for Shiba Inus. Tokens representing Shiba Inus were set ablaze using the burn portal. The quantity of burned SHIB tokens associated with the Koyo token address serves as evidence of the burned tokens. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up.